Hello traders, welcome back to Pips Traders YouTube channel. Thank you for your continuous support to my channel. I really appreciate your support. So today in this video, as usual, we are going to be doing daily technical analysis in gold, US dollar, currency pairs. Let us look at the current trend of the price action from the daily time frame to 15 minutes time frame and mark the current support and resistance levels. So when we look at the economical events plan for today is Wednesday, October 19th. At 11:30 am we have high impact news planned for British pound related currency pairs. Then as we come down at 6 pm we have high impact news planned for Canadian dollar related currency pairs, and we don't have any high impact news planned for euro related currency pairs or US dollar related currency pairs. Let us begin our gold analysis. I'm in daily time frame now. As we already know, the current trend of the price action in daily time frame is in a bearish trend, because we are noticing the price action to be trading below this trend line or the resistance line on the bearish side. And when we closely look at the current price action at this area, we can clearly see that it went on a bullish trend, then retraced, again it went on a bullish trend. After finding resistance on this resistance line from the daily time frame, it has fell on a bearish trend, again took support around the area where it took support previously, again bounced back on the bullish side retracement, again it has fallen on the bearish side retracement. Now we are noticing little bit of bounce back from this support zone on a bullish side retracement, and on this process we are noticing it to make a head and shoulder pattern. Whether it is going to continue falling on a bearish trend to the level where it started its bullish side retracement or not, this we have to wait and find out. And for now we know that the current trend of the price action in daily time frame is on a bearish trend. So I am going to draw a support line. So for now, as long as the price action is trading above this trend line or the support line, we can expect the bullish side retracement to continue. Once the price action breaks this support line or the trend line, it will be the continuation of the previous bearish trend. So I would recommend you to wait for the price action to break this trend line or support line in order to continue trading on the bearish side in daily time frame. So these are all the resistance and support levels for current price action in daily time frame. Currently the price action is trading between the support level of 1640 and resistance level of 1659 or 1660. And if the price action bounces back from this resistance level of 1659, next level of support is going to be around 1640 and 1615. And if the price action breaks the resistance level of 1659, next level of resistance is going to be around 1673, 1687, 1704 and 1731. 1640 is also the previous low. So wait for the price action to break the bearish red candle low in order to continue trading on the bearish side, which is also the confirmation on the bearish side trend continuation. Let us do the analysis in 4 hours time frame. I am in 4 hours time frame, and here we have the higher time frame support level and the resistance level, and current price action is trading between this resistance level of 1659 and support level of 1640. And for the 4 hours time frame also, I am going to draw a trend line or a resistance line to understand the current trend of the price action. So based on this trend line, previously we have noticed the price action to test the support line of the daily time frame trend line or the support line, then to bounce back and to consolidate within this resistance and support line. Wait for a directional breakout from this consolidation in order to take trades on the bearish side based on the breakout, or on the bullish side based on the direction of the breakout in 4 hours time frame. And once the price action breaks the support level of 1640, it will be the confirmation on the continuation of the bearish trend in 4 hours time frame also. Whereas on the bullish side we have lots of resistance over here, which it has to break if it wants to continue trading on the bullish side retracement. And overall trend of the price action in daily time frame is on a bearish side for now. Let us do the analysis in hourly time frame. I am in hourly time frame. When we look at the past price action in hourly time frame from the level of 1639 or 1640, we have noticed a price action to trend on the bullish side. Again it tried to bounce back on the bearish side, and it couldn't break the support level of 1704. Then it bounced back on the bullish side retracement after testing the resistance line from the 4 hours time frame, bounced back on the bearish trend and to retrace to the level where it started its bullish side retracement. So it has completed its double top pattern, and currently the price action is consolidating within the resistance level of 1673 and support level of 1639 on a sideways price action. So I am going to draw a resistance line or a trend line for hourly time frame also to understand the current trend of the price action in hourly time frame. So based on this trend line, we can notice that the price action is consolidating within this daily time frame support line and hourly time frame resistance line. So wait for a directional breakout from this triangle pattern consolidation in order to take a directional trade in the bearish side or on the bullish side. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So the values within this green color boxes are the resistance and support levels for current price action in hourly time frame, and the values within this red color boxes are the resistance and support levels from the daily time frame. Currently the price action is trading between the resistance level of 1654 and support level of 1646, and if the price action breaks this support level of 1646, next level of support is going to be around 1640, which is the higher time frame support level. Once the price action breaks this support level, next level of support from the hourly time frame is going to be around 1635, and on the bullish side, if the price action breaks the resistance level of 1654, next level of resistance from the higher time frame is going to be around 1659, 1665, 1673 and 1683. And current trend of the price action in hourly time frame is under a consolidation within this triangle pattern. Let us mark the support and resistance levels for 30 minutes time frame. I am in 30 minutes time frame now. When we look at the price action in 30 minutes time frame, again I am drawing a support line and a resistance line to understand the current trend of the price action in 30 minutes time frame, and it is very clear that the current trend is under a consolidation in 30 minutes time frame also. So I would recommend you to wait for the price action to give a breakout from this triangle pattern consolidation in order to take a direction trade in 30 minutes time frame also. Here we have the daily time frame trend line or the support line which it has to break if it wants to continue trading on the bearish side. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So the values within this green color boxes are going to be the resistance and support levels for current price action in 30 minutes time frame. Currently the price action is trading between the resistance level of 1652 and support level of 1645, and if the price action breaks the resistance level of 1652, next level of resistance is going to be around 1656, 1659, 1663, 1667 and 1673, and if the price action breaks the support level of 1645, next level of support is going to be around 1640. And when we look at the current trend of the price action from the daily time frame is on a bearish trend, and once the price action breaks the support level of 1640, we can expect the bearish trend to continue in 30 minutes time frame also. Let us mark the support and resistance levels for 15 minutes time frame. So the values within this green color boxes are the resistance and support levels for current price action in 15 minutes time frame. Currently the price action is trading between the support level of 1650 and resistance level of 1652. Once the price action breaks this resistance level of 1652, next level of resistance is going to be around 1654, 1654, 1659 and 1663. And if the price action breaks the support level of 1648, next level of support is going to be around 1645 and 1640. And currently the price action in 15 minutes time frame is also consolidating within this 30 minutes time frame support line and the resistance line. That's all the analysis for today. Thank you for watching this video. If you have found this video to be useful, press that like button and share this video with your friends.